Hello student. Today we are going to talk about class 7 chapter number 5 and chapter name is acid base and salt. So in previous video we discussed about these some natural indicators and these which they are. First is litmus paper, then China rose, turmeric. These are some natural indicators. So, and how to change the color from this indicator they put on acid and base. So, in this video we discuss about this some synthetic indicator. Now let us talk about synthetic indicator. There are two type of this indicator are used in the everyday life or in are used in the laboratories. First is the phenolphthalein indicator and second is the methyl orange. Firstly, phenolphthalein is a kind of the magic. It is a phenolphthalein is the kind of magic. It's always colorless state. It always colorless state. When we put on it acid, it is still remains colorless. Then is introduced in base, it becomes pink in color. Then natural color is orange if then second is methyl orange. They do not part in our chapter for methyl orange, but it is one of these synthetic indicator used in the laboratory. So color of the methyl orange is orange because it is a natural color of this orange indicator. Now you introduced in the acidic solution, so you this methyl orange solution we added on this the acidic solution, it will be red in color, and now it will be introduced a basic solution, it will be yellow in color. Now let us talk about the salt. Now let us talk about the salt. So it's so easy reaction, and this reaction it is known as the neutralization reaction, and this reaction is related to the salt. So we have learned that acidic turns blue litmus red and base turns red litmus blue. What we see what happen when we acid is mixed with the base. So we have learned that acid turns blue litmus red. Acid turns blue litmus red and base turn red litmus blue. Let us see what happen when and acid is mixed with base. So we are going to use an indicator you have not used so far. It is called as the phenolphthalein indicator. And you know that what do you mean by the phenolphthalein indicator and what they are change the color from this acid and basic solution. So let us discuss about this neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. You know that acid and base opposite to each other. You know that acid and base are opposite to each other. Acid and base react with each other and they form a salt and water. So acid and base react with each other and they form salt and acid, and this reaction is known as the neutralization. So when an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution is the neutralize the effect of each other. When an acid solution and the base solution are mixed in the suitable amount, both the acidic nature of this acid and the basic nature of this base is destroyed. Then the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Touches the test tube immediately. Touches the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe in neutralization reaction? Heat is always produced and or evolve. Then evolved is rises the temperature of this reaction mixture. So in neutralization reaction a new substance is formed because acid and base is react each other and they form a new substances, and this is called as the salt. So salt is formed by the neutralization reaction. For example, it is so basic example, you take some salt, you take a acid and base. Suppose the reaction between acid and base known as the neutralization. Salt and water are produced in the process with the evolution of the heat. Firstly, acid plus base. You take some acid, now react the base and they form salt and water. How they form? For example, reaction in an example, hydrochloric acid. It is a acid, hydrochloric acid, HCl. Then we react with basic solution, means sodium hydroxide, NaOH. They form salt, means what? Sodium chloride, NaCl. They form salt, sodium chloride. It is a NaCl. Means what? Sodium chloride प्लस वाटर मीन्स अभी देखो यहाँ वाटर के दो मॉलिक्यूल रह गए, यहाँ एक H और यहाँ एक H, कितने हुए? H2 और रिमेनिंग O मीन्स H2O 1 and 2 2H, so H2 and O H2O, so sodium chloride NaCl plus water H2O, so they form a NaCl. NaCl is nothing but the salt and water, because acid, which acid we use? HCl. Then added on this hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and they form a NaCl and water. And this reaction, it is known as this neutralization reaction. So now let us discuss about the neutralization in everyday life. First is the indigestion. Now our stomach contain the hydrochloric acid. You know that in chapter number 2 we discuss about this. Our stomach contain the hydrochloric acid and it helps to the digest food. Then as you have learned in chapter 2, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is the painful, because you take some acidic food, then and already our body is created some acidic solution, that's why you painful. So to relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of this magnesia, which contain magnesium hydroxide, and it is neutralize the effect of this excess acid. Second is the ant bite. Ant bite, when an ant bite, it is injected the acidic liquids into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or then calamine solution, which contain the zinc carbonate. Now second use is the soil treatment. Excessive use of this chemical fertilizer make the soil acidic. Plant do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or this basic. Now when we added the soil to acidic, it is treated to the base like क्विकलाइम. सपोज आप क्या करते हैं, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड यूज़ करते हैं खेती के लिए, आपकी खेती एसिडिक बन गई तो नाउ यू स्लैक लाइम कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. इफ द सॉइल इज बेस देन ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इज एडेड टू इट. बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक हो गई तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसमें कुछ ऑर्गेनिक खाद ऐड कर सकते हैं. ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इज रिलीज एसिडिक और विच न्यूट्रलाइज द बेसिक नेचर ऑफ दिस सॉइल. Now also we use in the factories wastage. So the wastes of many factories contain acid. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acid will be keep fish and other organisms. Now the factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding base substances. There are some uses in everyday life. So here our chapter is completed. Then what you have learned in this chapter? Firstly, what do you mean by acid, base, then salt, then acid turns blue litmus red, base turns red litmus blue. We also discuss about some indicators, natural indicators and some natural indicators and synthetic indicator. So litmus paper, then China rose, turmeric are the acidic indicator, are the natural indicator, and phenolphthalein and methyl orange are the synthetic indicator. Also we discuss about what do you mean by this neutralization reaction. So an acid and base neutralize each other and form a salt. A salt may be acidic, base neutral in nature. So that's all about this chapter. So this is the homework for you. You solve the exercise from page number 56. Thank you.